Hello children, I have already uploaded science lesson number 1 in our classroom. Okay, I hope you have started writing that or you must have completed it. But if you have not done, do it now. Take your time. Okay, now afterwards we have to write science lesson number 1 question answers. Okay, and today I am going to tell you how to write those. Okay, chalo, let's start for that session. Now see children, you all have written 32 words in your notebook. Now below that you are going to leave a line. How do we leave a line? We put a cross to leave a line. So keep it in mind, cross means to leave a line. Now below that only one line is remaining on this page. So I will go to next page. Now see, first we have to write the date, but I have not written here. Why? Because when you are writing, you will be writing that date. Means तुम्ही ज्या दिवशी लिहिणार असाल, ज्या डेटला लिहिणार असाल, ती डेट तुम्ही इथे मार्जिनमध्ये लिहायची आहे. ओके. Below that, if you can see, I have written C.W. It is a short form of class work. C.W. Okay. Then out of the margin, I have written heading. While starting heading, you should start with capital letters. So I have started with capital S, science. Then one finger gap, lesson, capital L for lesson, -1. Then the name of the lesson, that is plants around us. P is capital because it is a starting alphabet or starting letter of the name of the lesson. Plants. Then I have kept one finger gap between two words, if you have seen. Then after the lesson name, I have kept dash and I have written capital Q dot ANS dot. This is a short form of question answers. Capital Q dot means short form of questions. ANS is a short form of answer. Okay. Now below this we have to start. Once you write date, classwork, heading, below that we are going to start question answers. Now see. Children, there are many questions in science. Different types of questions are there, like answer the following, match the following, fill in the blanks, name the following, etc. Okay. Now this is first type of question. We write capital I, that is Roman number 1 for first type, answer the following. We write Roman numbers to show different types of questions. Okay. Now first type is answer the following. A is capital. Why? Because it is a starting letter of that sentence. For one finger gap, you never should forget. Always keep one finger gap between two words. Now below that I have written one number. Now see children, in this type there are 5 to 7 sub questions. Okay. So these sub questions we write with number. Number 1. What is first sub question? What are tall and strong plants known as? Now as you can see, W is capital because it is a starting alphabet. Then I have kept one finger gap in all words, between two words. Now children, always keep it in mind that only write 4 words in a line. एका लाईनमध्ये 4 to 5 वर्ड्सच लिहायचे, त्याच्यापेक्षा जास्त लिहायचे नाहीत. नाहीतर काय होतं, what will happen? Otherwise, it will not look nice. And we cannot read that if you write so many words in one line. If you try to fit all the words in one line, it will look shabby. Okay? It should look nice because we have to read it. Okay? Okay, so only 4 words, 4 or 5 words in one line. Now the question is, what are tall and strong plants known as? Now below that, now after at the end of the question, as you can see, I have drawn something that is known as question mark. All the questions end with a question mark. And how to write that question mark? It is very easy. First you have to write ulta C, then below that one straight line and then dot. This is our question mark. Once again listen to me. Ulta C, then below that straight line and then dot. This is our question mark. So here we have finished sub question of question number 1, that is, what are tall and strong plants known as? Now let us write the answer. C. Answer we write, for answer in margin we write answer number 1, that is capital A dot number 1. What is the answer? What are tall and strong plants known as? Tall and strong plants are known as trees. Now here we have completed our answer, so we have to write full stop. After sentence or answer we write full stop, and after question at the end we write question mark. Okay. Now as you can see, I have written only 4 words in a line, and that is why it is looking very good. Correct? Now as I told you, we have to leave a line after every question. After we complete one question answer, we have to leave a line by putting a cross. After that, number 2. What are climbers? W is capital. There is a 1 finger gap between 2 words. And at the end, I have written question mark. So, sub question 2 is, what are climbers? Let us see the answer. The answer is answer number 2. We have to write it in the margin. The answer is, the plants which cannot stand on their own are called climbers. Full stop. They have weak stem. Full stop. Now see children, here THE, the T is capital because it is starting alphabet. Then after climbers, full stop is there because here sentence is ending, and again next sentence is starting. So we are again going to write first T of they is capital. Okay, because it is a starting letter of next sentence. Every sentence is ending with full stop. Now children, if you can see in second line, I have written 5 words. Stand on their own are. Why I can write 5 words? Because on word is small. जेव्हा छोटे वर्ड्स असतात ना 2 लेटर वर्ड, तेव्हा तुम्ही 4च्या ऐवजी 5 वर्ड्स लिहिलेत तरी चालेल. पण जेव्हा मोठे मोठे 4 लेटर वर्ड 5 लेटर वर्ड असतात ना, तेव्हा एका लाईनमध्ये only 4 words you are going to write. Have you understood? Chalo, now after this what are we going to do? We will just put the cross. Now number 3. What are creepers? After that question mark. Now you know about starting with capital letter, leaving 1 finger gap. I will not repeat every time. Okay. Now answer 3. What is the answer? The plants which grow along the ground like pumpkin are known as. Now last word I can write below, but it is not good. We cannot write it last below that line because it is the end of the page. So we should go to next line. तिथे खालीच लिहून नाही टाकायचं. Okay. We have to write in blue and red lines. So we will go to next. See, creepers. Again, the plants which grow along the ground like pumpkin are known as creepers. Full stop. So here we have finished our 3 answer the following, and after that I have kept cross. Correct? So now this is all for today. Tomorrow or in next session I will tell you about next question answers. Okay? Goodbye children.